Hey guys, I'm going to unbox Ulta Beauty stuff that I got. Just got in the mail today. Today is March 2nd. Now let's get this video started. And by the way, I'm on the floor, so don't judge me, okay? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this primer serum hydrating. It's by e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum. I am so excited. I've never had this before. I also got Your Skin But Better Setting Spray with Skin Loving. It's a travel size. And then I got this cleansing foam to wash your face, which I'm super excited to use. And then I got these for free in this bag. They're basically for your eyebrows. So I got this Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. And then right after I show everything, I'll take it out of the packaging so you can see it. And then I got the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. And it also comes with the Slim Brow Pencil. I think it's a crayon. But they had like different ones you can choose for free. And then I got this Damn Girl for shamelessly thick and curled lashes. And then Anastasia Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. And Soap Styler. I've never heard of that before. What is this? Presley My Brow Pencil. Warm Light Brown. That's all for the brows. And then I got this Hourglass Concealer. And I got this Sweet Oasis eyeshadow. I don't know why I forgot eyeshadow palette. All of the stuff that I showed, I took out of the boxes. So this is what the soap looks like. This one, I'm a little confused because it's soap for your eyebrows, except you don't wash it out. And this is what the inside looks like. Leave a comment below if you've ever had this before. And then this is the setting spray. I just tried it just now. It's not bad. It kind of feels like a water mist. And this is what the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum looks like. It took me forever to figure this out because I've never had this before, and right here there was this like white thing and it was glued in there, and I had to pull it out, and then some of it just like splurted all over the place. And then you're supposed to like twist this, and then you and then you know, then you pull it up, and then the thing goes inside this top. Now I think this button on top, it's supposed to like pump it up into the little tube thing. But yeah, I've never had this before, so hopefully I like it. Also, you know, I've never had such a beautiful palette before, but this is so pretty. Oh, but yeah, there's this one. Oh, and there's that. How in the world do you work this thing? Okay. Probably edit that one part that I'm struggling. Don't know if you could see it, the tip of it. This is so cute. Well, that is all the products that I got. If you would like me to post a video of me trying all of these on, I will certainly do that. I do have foundation, but I didn't buy any foundation from the Ulta app because the fact that I've already had foundation, so there was no point.